In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now, tap on the icon of it available at the top and select split screen. Over here. Now hit got it in the pop-up and tap on a second app you wanna use. Finally, enjoy using both at once. If you wish to, you can close split screen by going back into the background and swiping it like you would any other app. You can also hold those three dots in the middle and drag them all the way up or all the way down. Then tapping on Home button to close the remaining app. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on the same three dots and tap on Swap Apps if you want to switch places of them, or my favorite, which is Add Combination. If you often use those two apps, any apps in split screen, select Add Combination, hit Add Automatically, tap on Home button, and then when you click on this shortcut that will appear on your home screen, your apps will instantly be opened in split screen view. If you wish to delete it, hold it and tap on Remove. Now, if you want to, you can also click on those lines at the top of any app. This way you can tap on Switch Apps to pick another one you wanna use in split screen right away, or you can hit Exit App to close the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!